These guys are not an authorised Harley dealership, but once we take you inside, you'll see why I'm very speechless. So let's check this out. Jesus.
Yeah, if you all ones with tags on them are ready for sale. The rest,
okay, cool.
The rest you haven't been done yet.
My God.
For some decent wide glides.
Are you aware of any other shops in Australia pushing as many old Harleys as yourself?
No, I don't know.
No, like we've travelled quite a lot, and
I just have enough trouble doing my own shit.
Yeah. This is insane. And the quality of the bikes is what stands out the most.
Secret. That's a secret.
Like even down to the factory air filters, which is probably one of the first things that sort of go missing.
Well, that's a secret, is buy good stuff.
Yeah. Wow. And you also have a website that all of these are listed on? Okay, sweet.
50 or 60 online.
Yeah, wow.
But we've stick one up a week or so.
Okay.
If we have time to work on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you haven't been touched yet.
Getting around to it. Oh my God.
Service, got to just wash it and detail it, put the pipes on it.
Beautiful.
The caliper, and it's just a stock bike.
Yeah. And that's another thing you guys do is you've got a lot of spare parts as well. You've got a whole showroom upstairs, and
yeah, we've got tons of stuff. Yeah, another factory down the road. Good stuff.
That's not an anniversary frame, is it? 30 year?
Thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's motor. I can do the motor up on it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, it's a shit heap, but it's a 90 model.
My God.
I feel like we're at a bike show, to be honest.
Well, that's probably the easiest way to put it. The quality of these bikes.
It's not like the normal dealerships.
No.
We don't actually even enjoy the regular dealerships.
That's what I was saying earlier. We noticed out the front, the sign at the front says unauthorised Harley dealership. I've never seen this if it's factory.
That not here.
Okay.
That's a 99. They never bought them here.
Yeah, okay, wow.
So it's just, whether you like it or not, it's just a rare bike.
Different, yeah.
It's a bit wishy-washy for me, but
yeah, okay.
some people will
yeah.
like it.
No, it's definitely different.
Do you have a favourite here?
Favourite?
The one at the front?
This thing, probably.
Yeah.
For a street bike,
yeah.
White glides are nice, yeah.
Beautiful.
But this is one of my shit I ride a bit.
Yeah.
Pretty good bike, yeah. 85 wide, 86 wide glide.
Yeah. Evo's pretty good. Wow.
Go upstairs, have a look upstairs anyway.
Yeah, it's
You've been upstairs?
yeah, but again, it's fucking speechless. A little walk upstairs, yeah. So I noticed you got a handful of the engines up there, and
No, that's all right.
fuck. Yeah. I appreciate you taking the time to show us around and have a chat. I hate to waste people's times, but you get stuck talking, and yeah. So we got.
You got a call in the sea.
Yeah, so we got to catch up with him, and I've also got my leather warehouse here as well. So go and grab some hides and.
Or where you buy your stuff.
Yeah. So we get most of our hides from either a shop here in Melbourne or in Sydney. So yeah, I think there's one or two other shops that are sort of doing the old school thing, and then the rest of that is just bars really.
Oh, my kid's in the candy shop.
Appreciate your time, Kyle. I'll grab the shirt off you as well while I'm here. Cash. All right, we're back in the car now. We've just left HD Development. So I think I said on camera we hadn't been to the new shop, and I was talking to Colt about it. I said it's like walking into a Harley dealership 30 years ago, but cooler because it's 30 years later. That place is absolutely chock-a-block. Evos down to Shovelheads, Panheads, even Ironheads, and even a handful of bloody Knuckleheads. Everything from basically completely bone stock to absolutely stretched out choppers. So that, and Jenna also said, it's like walking into a bike show. The quality of the bikes in there is, you could spend hours, but it is that chockers that they are all so close together. You don't get it, you miss so much, but you could just spend literally hours there. On top of that, it was cool to have Colt show us around and tell us about all the bikes, and that's the thing with a lot of these old bikes is they've been around for 50, 60 years. A lot of them have stories, so to have Colt there to give you a rundown on all the bikes was also super cool as well. It was almost like a freaking museum. So that was also cool, and we appreciate that a lot. Taking time out of people's workday to just talk shit. We were meant to be out of there probably an hour ago, which has made us super late for our next stop. But as you all know, once you get stuck talking shit, you just, it's that's a cool thing about the community. You just keep talking shit. Next stop, we are off to see the boys at Whiskey Throttle. So we've also got Tim, who's slinging parts out of there. You'll know him as Small Batch Parts. He makes a whole heap of chopper parts and a lot of one-off goodies for a lot of the old school bikes as well. So we met Tim a while back at, I don't even know what bike show. I think it was King of the Hill. Shoot, there we've got about an hour's drive. So I think currently we're at the south of the Melbourne CBD, and we're going to run around the outside and head to the north side where we've got a few shops to check out as well.
One eternity later.
Yeah, and yeah, these are the risers, dog bones, the whole lot. Those guys.
Yeah, these are what I've been seeing. These are sick.
And then I've got this, I don't have them here.
Yeah, that's cool.
I've got the 6-inch versions as well, those. And
so do you still need to split these and then bolt them? Yeah, okay, wow. So these are how they, your design, these are how they come raw, and then you've got to do a fair bit of work to them.
they come like, so like that's how they come
that's
from the foundry, and then, so those have been drilled out for 1 inch.
Yeah.
And then they'll get drilled and split.
Yeah, that's cool. And these look dope.
Yes, this is how I just get them straight from the foundry, which is pretty wild because like I don't know if you've seen raw casting stuff. That's
nice.
They don't look like that.
Yeah, these are sick. These turn out dope.
Yeah, thanks, man. I think I've sold like 200 of them.
That's
like
cool,
sets or whatever, like over the time. So yeah. Thanks, man.
Because these are the things that I know you for. These are what I see on a bunch of fucking bikes, especially these.
Yeah.
To actually see them down here is fucking awesome.
Yeah, man.
So.
I agree too. Like I love seeing how they sort of where they come from. Start, sort of thing, you know. But yeah. Those are like some of my favourite little.
Feel the weight on that shit.
Yeah, they're just solid brass.
Yeah.
The bronze
These
ones
are polished up
heavier
nice
again.
too.
Oh man, they're epic in chrome.
Yeah.
I'll show you on Tyson bike. We did them on the Sissy bike.
Yeah. This year we're trying to hit as many shows as we can and ride out and get as many events in as we can without worrying about fucking work.
Too much about it. Yeah. Well, that's definitely the plan for us as well. Like I think next year is probably going to be a big show
Full on
for us.
Yeah.
It's kind of tough. Like when we did King of the Hill, you know, we had like enough.
Yeah.
But it's sort of like it wasn't what I wanted to like.
It's to get the name
you know
out.
What I mean?
Yeah.
But it was cool to do because it was like, it was easy and stuff. But
front row seats of the run up the hill. It's insane.
It was ridiculous.
And I think that's the reason why a lot of us, like that is, as a trade store, that's cream of the crop. Like that's the event that you fucking dream of.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So.
And we got there at night too. So like we were setting up the
night prior.
And we woke up to the hill.
Yeah.
I was like, whoa.
Yeah.
Does everyone know about the overseas thing yet?
Nah.
Okay, we'll keep that quiet then.
That's coming, yeah.
That'd be cool to see content and shit from that. That's awesome.
Yeah, got new stuff there as well. Just designed these last night.
We allowed to show these?
Yeah, you can show.
Yeah, these turned out good.
Yeah. So that's like just the little prototype.
Yeah.
That'll be the first one. So it's like.
So these will be fitting 1-inch bars.
1-inch bars.
Yeah.
But so these are the original early Panhead ones.
Okay.
So they're quite wide.
Yeah.
Wow.
See?
Yeah.
And they're just a cover. So you put these over the top of your
right.
hand tops.
Whereas these will be an actual top clamp.
Exactly. So they sit like that.
Yeah.
Basically.
When are you hoping to have these out?
I literally just made it last night.
No shit.
We'll see soon.
Watch this space.
That's coming for sure.
Yeah, they're nice. Yeah, that's cool, man. It's nice to finally get out here and see the shop.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm stoked you guys would be able to see it in this form, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, you know, because who knows what comes next, and you guys can kind of see as it goes along, you know?
Yeah, you always got to, because that's like we started off doing little makers markets, and then we started pushing gear into Harley dealerships and shops all around Australia. So it's when we do these small events, we've got our branded gazebo.
Yeah, that's right.
And I'll never forget, we had this guy walk past, he's looking past, he looked at the signage, and he had one of our hats on, and he goes, and then he came in, like and he's like, what are you doing here? I was like, man, this is where it started. Mm-hmm. So like doing these little makers markets and shit like that. Yeah. And we still get back and sling stuff at our makers markets as well. Like we fucking love that shit.
That's great.
We haven't even done an intro to this video yet. So
hold on, let me
we're in Thomastown. So we're here with Tim from Small Batch Parts, and this is a shop that we've wanted to hit up for a while now. So you would have seen previously in all the footage that I mentioned that I've seen a lot of his parts around the place, and even little things such as his stickers. So Tim does a whole heap of floorboards and foot pegs, and that's what we see on all the choppers. So it's nice to actually get down here in Melbourne and see his shop and see where a lot of this stuff is basically made, which is also dope. So, and as you can hear in the background, we're also at Whiskey Throttle. Yeah. So the guys are servicing and doing a whole lot of custom stuff out here as well. So I'm not sure how much we'll film here. It is an active workshop, so we'll give the guys a bit of privacy, but if we're lucky, we might be able to check out a FXR that I did see out the front. So, bit of a shop tour of the Whiskey Throttle garage and just heading into their office now. One thing you notice straight away is a whole wall full of these David Mann posters. So these were centerfolds in, I think, Easy Rider magazines from the early 1970s. So guys got a good selection there, and this is where they also hold a whole bunch of their parts and apparel as well. So as we head outside, we needed to get a thumbnail. So Tim was nice enough to drag one of the bikes out for that and get a quick shot.
I'm doing the side. There's nothing on it, yeah.
And we've just dropped the hire car off. To my surprise, there was no problems. But then again, our deposit is still a week or two away. So let's wait and see what happens with that. But we're just on the way back to the hotel now. We're going to grab some feed, but big day for us today. We've probably racked up a few hundred kilometres just going shop to shop and checking in the boys and saying g'day to everyone that lives down this way. So managed to get a handful of footage. We couldn't get around to everyone, but we're still here for another few days. So we'll still keep trying to get around everywhere. But for now, back to the hotel. You can see it's cooled down a hell of a lot. We're back to the room now, and then we're going to go hit dinner. So see you all tomorrow. My God.